Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you if you need more club points and you do have a big or huge amount of coins, FIFA coins. You can spend on club points by tapping the store button, and as you can see there are four options here. Go to the founders. So scroll down and this one. Tap so you can get guarantee rewards 10 club point with this 10 million of coins. So 10 club point, I mean 10 million of FIFA coin with club point 10 times also. So please, if you need this club point, like urgently or desperately need this club point, and you have a huge amount of FIFA coin, go to the store and do this. Open this pack, and also you have a weekly limit, 20 packs or 20 times if exchange in a week. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click that button below. Enjoy the game.